Hey folks, how you doing? Now in this video, chapter 6, step number 3, adding pages, I just want to pop in a Dreamweaver, show you a quick tip for changing your editor preferences first. Your template comes with pages using the file extension of .htm. Does it really matter if you use .htm or HTML? No, not at all, as long as you link to them using the proper file extension. Most times Dreamweaver will be set up using the default of .html, so when you create a new page, it'll use the HTML extension, which could be a little bit on the confusing side because you'll have a mixture of both. Here's a quick, easy setup that I like to go through. I go to my Edit, Preferences, and File Types and Editors. Oops, sorry, I meant New Document. And right here for the default document will be HTML, and right here that's the extension. Just change it to .htm and OK. Now when we go to create a new page, it'll automatically give it the .htm extension instead of HTML, just so we're consistent. Now to create a new page, piece of cake, you can actually copy and paste any one of the existing pages in here. Sometimes what you'll find is if you have a certain page with a layout that you like, for example, maybe the About for Zoo page or the About page, which has a nice table with some pictures and some comments on the side, you can duplicate that page to create as many new pages using that particular format as you like. Or the photo gallery page, or the contact form, services, any of those layouts, you can always create as many new pages as you want. But the quick and easy way is to go to the Layouts folder, select a minimized, a primary, or a secondary, or any one of your component pages that are included with your package, depending which package you purchased, and just open that page. Let's say, for example, we wanted to create a new page using the secondary layout. We just open secondary.htm in Dreamweaver. Click on the File menu, select Save As, and first thing I'm going to do is type in the name of the page right down here. And we're going to call this Collins-new-page. Okay? We don't need to type in the extension because Dreamweaver we already set that up earlier, right? Now what we do is we want to get it out of the Layouts folder. So we use the little up one level button. So somewhere, depending on which version of Dreamweaver you have and which operating system, you will have an up one level button, or you can use the little drop arrow and just go to the website folder, right? Or just use that up arrow. But basically you want to get into the folder with the rest of your pages where the index page is, for example. Then we click Save. Now Dreamweaver is pretty smart. It knows that we're moving it from a subfolder into the root folder. So it asks us if we want to update the links. We just say yes. And that's all there is to it. Now you may not see your page show up over here and go, wait a minute, this is silly. I just created the page. Where did it go? Well, hit the refresh button. And there it is. Now it will show up in your list. And if you're not sure about the extension, use the little squiggly thing up here to slide things over if you're running out of room, and that'll tell you the extension, and you can see it's .htm.